welcome to a new video of Team Trides. We are on our way to Droomvlucht in Efteling. Yeah. This attraction is Dark Rides, opened in 1993, so it's a really old attraction already.
One of the more old here in the park.
Yeah. But this attraction is what Efteling is standing for, the fairy tales, all these things. So yeah.
It's a famous and one more of the, emblematic attraction here in the park.
Yeah, but they changed a little bit, they changed a little things about this attraction. So yeah, we're very curious about this attraction, what the changes are. So yeah, we're gonna give you a full review after the rides. So see you soon. All right, we just had a ride on Droomvlucht. I love this attraction.
Yes, it's one of my favorite in Efteling. It's amazing, it's sweet, it's lovely.
It's magical.
It's magical.
All the elves and the trolls, all these things. Yeah, I really like it, really like it. It's really beautiful.
Yes, Gilmore.
Also, this ride system of this attraction is also unique. You know?
Yeah.
It's a dark ride, hanging dark ride. So the ride system is very unique. So yeah, I really like it. It's really beautiful, beautiful.
And you come to Efteling and you need to do that.
Yeah, it is a must-do attraction. You need to do it. So it's really amazing. I really like this. If you come to Efteling, you need to do this attraction. So yeah.
As you believe.
So if you like this video, just put your thumbs up. Put the comments below, and yeah.
And continue see, eh?
Of course.
Follow us.
See you for the next video. Bye-bye.